Hi guys, we received this ceiling light fixture for repairing purposes. Okay, so we are gonna open it and see what's inside. First thing we'll see is the fixture. This is it. It comes with lots of foam, so it's protected. And this is the glass. So you can see it just has two regular light bulbs. And in here we got everything to install it, the instructions, all the screws you need. Last but not least, the glass, okay? It's a really nice design, I like it. Like, has some bubbles in it, which is really nice. So let's go ahead and install it on the roof. Come on. Okay, as you can see, it's really easy to install. It actually was it didn't take that much time. The glass looks amazing. It's really nice. It's really nice. The black finish that it has gives a elegant design, which I quite like. It's really nice because you can install it in your dining room, wherever you want to put it in your room. I don't know. It's a great ceiling light, and I would really recommend it. See ya.